So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in Task Manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, if you see Discord open, you just want to right click on it and then click on End Task. Now once you do that, you want to head over to the Details tab and then do the same thing. If you see Discord open, you want to right click on it and then click on End Process Tree. Now once you've done that, you want to head over to the Discord website and then you want to log into your account on the browser. This will reset your Discord session. Now once you've done these first two steps, now you want to head over to search again and then type in Discord. You want to right click on it and then click on Open File Location. And then you want to right click on Discord again and then click on Properties. Now you want to click on Compatibility. You want to tick Run this program in compatibility mode and disable full screen optimizations and click on OK. Then you want to right click on Discord again and then click on Open File Location again. And now you want to right click on Update.exe and then click on Properties. Now you want to click on Compatibility again and then do the same thing. Tick Run this program in compatibility mode and disable full screen optimizations and click on OK. Now you want to open up Discord again and then the problem should be fixed. But if the problem is still not fixed, as a last resort, we're going to head over to search and then type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. Now once we're on this, we're going to scroll down until we find Discord. You want to click on the three dots, click on Uninstall, then uninstall it. Then you just want to reinstall it again.